So why are we here?
Buy a Mustang.
What kind of Mustang?
Is it missing a wheel?
Buy a rattle candy Mustang. What's that?
It's a decent rattle can.
It's not decent. It looks like shit. Because now we're into buying shit Mustang. With no motors in it.
Yep.
Good shock tower.
Your shock towers that have been fixed, that's it. Because the car was originally black, it looks like to me. This looks like the same color blue as my ZX2. But my ZX2 wasn't rattle canned.
It's the same color as Steve's mom.
Smurf blue. They call it the Smurfmobile.
Very
Smurf and turf.
Very Smurf.
I wonder if this one has a motor in it.
Yo, stop looking through people's cars. Someone's coming.
That's Joe right there.
No, sweet. Alright, so where did he put it in the ditch?
On that side where the fender's screwed up. It doesn't have wheels on.
Oh, yeah. Steve,
Yeah,
did you just buy a car?
I did. Foxbody.
And you're putting a drink on your title.
Yep.
Probably shouldn't say that too loud.
I mean,
It's our car now.
the camera hears everything.
Fuck him.
Yeah, Steve bought it. It's his problem now.
Straight pipe duals was just two
Yeah,
small
which
mufflers.
will sound like shit.
Yeah, because it's got a 5.0 in it.
No, it's got 5 nothing.
It's got nothing in it.
Yeah. Steve's gonna get
Yo,
rid of
pop
the
that.
Ford motor and he's gonna LS swap it.
Pop that hood real quick.
Yep.
So let's see what we got.
It has the original 3-piece headlights.
Those aren't original.
Well, you know what I mean, the style.
It
Yeah.
doesn't even have headers on this thing.
It's got no 2 sensor.
Oh my god.
That's a big saving.
Bro, almost had you in this car.
Almost all the suspension is new.
You could push this across the line maybe, or tow
Steering.
it.
He said delivered by Wednesday. Good tires and wheels on it.
I
That's
want the MST distributor too.
yeah. It's another $50 there.
I'm happy.
That is all.
Steve, you're gonna have to let me do some body work on this.
I'm happy,
In
man.
all honesty, I wouldn't even.
I'm ordering a
Ooh,
fender.
now we've got
Pinch.
now we've got major
The
issues.
pinch there. I see it.
That's more than a pinch.
Where?
The whole fender skirt. See all that? That's bad. That's real bad. Mine that boy hit the bank with was not that bad. That's
It's not. I mean, it's not terrible.
That's structural. Just so you know.
Still gonna send it.
That's gonna have to be. We're gonna have to,
No, the inside's not bad. Look, you can see what?
you gotta realize that this is all structure here. This is all
Yeah.
fender skirt structure. That's going to have to be pulled out bad. Because you gotta realize just that there, not even joking, will fuck up the alignment on the front end of this car.
He said that he had it looked at the shop. The alignment's good. But I gotta replace that fender anyway, so. No AC, no heat, full power steering,
Because race car
electric
life.
fans.
So I mean, yeah, it is fixable, but it's not the prettiest.
No.
Because race car.
Because race car.
I agree.
Alright, let's get out of here.
Well, I drive a race car every day, so.
Drive
I drive a what? Drive a what?
a new 5.0.
I bet y'all ratio my 5.0 to your 5.0 and I'll win right now.
5 no.
It's a 5 now.
5 no.
Alright, let's go check out Skylar's homestead.
It's not much.
It's what?
Here you go, Mustang things. You see what I mean? How it lifted up in second gear? Oh, I smell that. Yeah. So this is a possible location. Steve, what do you think?
I'm thinking I might have to text Joe. Put it in here.
Because the plan is for today is that if you guys want to help, we can clean the garage today.
Yeah.
And then we get everything organized for the car to come here.
Yeah. He said like Wednesday-ish.
Well, that's fine. I mean, it's not like
You can get in and out of here with it though?
I can literally pull my 17 in here right now and show you.
Well, as long as you can do that, then it shouldn't be a problem.
No, because my 17
Plus is higher than that.
and it's not as wide as a 17.
Okay.
And I mean, we can clean shit up and get it cleaned up today and fucking get it ready for the car to come.
You want to, here, I'll just have you text Joe with my phone. And, give him your address and shit. Tell him, you won't have to get it so far, Fairmont
Yeah.
to Fairmont, so. Yeah, man, I appreciate it, man.
Yeah. So what do we really need to move? Like box that or
The washer, just 1.5 minutes place for a washer. Then we'll just take
sweep it out?
We'll
Yeah.
go get a broom and shit and sweep and hose everything out. This has
Yeah.
just been a wreck from where they found
Yeah.
here doing sewer pipes and everything.
But yeah, insulation. You name it, you got it.
It's not a whole lot, but it's something, man. It's better than no garage.
All right, so cleaning out the garage right now. So got a transmission. Oh, it's dark as hell.
Yeah, that's just going out here.
All right, so some progress in the garage.
For Dale.
I can already tell you right now, we're gonna need some lighting on that backside.